Hi viewers, I am Dilip Kumar Intoor here. I'm going to teach you today the basics of MS Excel. If you are new to Excel, I'm sure you will complete this course in 5 minutes learning how to use Excel. Now let me show you this. This is the MS Excel sheet. You have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You just have to click on this icon to have more sheets. You can rename these sheets by right clicking on the sheet, say rename and type in your text, enter. You can color the tab, right click, choose your color. Yes, done. Okay. Now what are these? These are nothing but cells. These are so called cells, and these constitute Excel. So what are these going to do? So these are going to do the addition, subtraction for you and much more in Excel. So I'm going to show you a simple calculation here, but before that let me show you what is this cells. So you have A, B, C, D and so on written here. These are called columns. Okay, and these are called rows. So you have 1, 2, 3, you have till control plus arrow mark down, it will take you bottom. So you have 1,48,576 rows, and then column you have XFT. So many cells you have. So let's start here. So I'm going to do a simple calculation, adding of two numbers. Okay, I'm going to use, let me say 89, 25. Okay, these two cells I'm going to choose, but before that I have to tell you, so each cell has a cell value. So this works like matrix. So I have selected a cell D8. Can you see the orange here? Orange highlighted here. So it is also written here D8, which means D and then 8. So if I select here, this is called E12. Same way I have typed in 89 in the cell A1 and A2. I'm going to use the formula equal to you have to use when you are using any formula. So I'm saying equal to, I'm selecting the cell A1, you can see that here, and then plus A2, then tap enter. You have 114, so which is nothing but addition of A1 and A2. I can also do subtraction, just remove the plus symbol and use your minus. You have 64 here, and just like that you can also multiply with star 22225. That's the answer. And you can also do an auto sum. I can teach you about the auto sum. Select the two cells, go to the right top, you have something here, auto sum, click on it. See, it's automatically, auto sum is nothing but addition of the selected cells. So you have the results here, 114. So now we have learned about addition and subtraction. You can practice much more in Excel. This is just to give you an idea of what Excel is about. And I'm also going to show you something. Excel is so brilliant that it can understand what is there in your mind. Let me tell you, I'm going to say Sunday, and I'm just going to drag, select the cell and go to the right bottom, just drag like this and leave your mouse. So you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So just like that I'm doing 1, 2, 3, not even 3, okay, 1, 2. Select the cells and I'm just going to drag. See, you have the cells have increased by 1. What if I do it like this, 1, 3? So Excel will do an addition of 2 after 3. So it's like you get all the odd numbers. And likewise, or I'm doing Jan, and then dragon. Even short forms also Excel can understand. Okay, we have this. Or now I'm going to show you how to do a table in Excel. Okay, for that I'm going to just take some example. I'm going to create a table here. I've just selected name, age, class, I'm going to say grade. Okay, so I'm going to make this text bold by selecting it and then clicking on the bold, just like MS Word. Or I want to increase the font size, I can do that here. Just increase the font size. I want to increase the width of the column, just go here in between A and B, you have the arrow mark, click, left click, and then pull it, drag it like this and leave it. You can do that. Or if you want to do it for the rest of the cells, you want to have uniform column height, you can do that. Right click on the, select the columns, right click, say column width, I'm going to tap in 20, so you have uniform column width. And same way I'm going to select the height of the rows, select the rows, how many rows you want to do, right click and say row height, and then I'm going to say 30, enter. Now you have equal rows and columns, same width. Okay, so here is a table, select the table like this, and coloring we'll do it later on. Let's have some samples here. So I'm going to say Sam, name of the person, age say 23, class A, class 12, and then I'm going to say A grade. I'm saying Jack, I'm saying 25, 11, and then grade B. Okay, I'm going to work on with this two samples. So this is the table I have created. Select the table, and here you see the borders. I'm going to give borders here. So this is like bottom alone, you will have a strike like this. So this is only top, you will have a straight line, left, right, and no borders. No borders, you can use this at any point of time that you want to cancel all the borders, whether it's left, right, or all borders, any whatever kind of borders that you have used. Just select your table and click on no borders. Here I'm going to use all borders. So now it looks like cells. How would it be? Like age is to the left of the cell and 23 is right. So I want to make everything center. How do I do that? Select the table and say center. Yes, it's in the center. Now I'm going to give coloring to the header first. Select the fill here and choose your color. Or you want more color, you can go with more colors and choose. If the colors are not there, you can do that. Select the table like this, and bottom I'm going to choose the different colors. I'm going to choose I'm going to choose light orange. Okay. So here it goes. So a simple table I have created, and okay, and I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to do an addition of this. How do I do this? To click auto sum. Sometimes you don't have to select the cells. Auto sum can understand that you are anything above the cell that you have selected. It will automatically know that you are trying to sum the values above your selected cell. So here I have, I'm going to make it center, 48 is the total. What if I want to bring the total and reflect it to some other cell? So I want to bring down this 48 here. Can I do this? Let me show you this. I'm going to copy the cell just like what we do in Word and things. So I'm going to paste it. Okay. When I paste it, it's getting 0 instead of 48. Why am I not getting 48? 48 because see, you have used the formula here that you are doing a sum with this. So once you're copying it here, so Excel will try to understand that you are trying to copy a value here which is 0, 0. So you want to copy, then I'll show you a different way. Select the cell that you want to copy, say copy, select where you want to paste, say paste, and then paste link. Now you have 48 over here, and anytime you're going to change the data there, it reflects here and it also reflects here. This is how you have to copy your cells within Excel for any calculation or tabular that you're working on. This is how you should be doing. And I'm going to teach you much more in the next video, because I want to keep up my promise of 5 minutes only for this session. So we will see in the next video. Please hit like button and subscribe to our channel if you really like the video. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.